What's up everybody, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are doing another storage unit video. We haven't actually done a storage locker video in a little bit. It's just been picking. We paid $5,000 for this unit. $5,000, right?
$4,980 after taxes, but yeah, we'll just round it up.
Okay.
Why did I buy it? If you look over there, you see that guy right there? He is a German soldier, or a dummy with a German outfit on him. And that statue. Who has 7-foot tall wood statues?
Who does? I guess we're gonna find out.
This is like China. You know how like China's like really fragile? Don't break it with touching it. That's not plastic. That is actually really freaking nice. It looks like it's original. Is there another one? Oh, never mind. It's not as cool. It's still cool, but it's not as cool, right? This is just a bottle of booze. They put booze in it.
Oh, these are movies?
Let's see. You never know what's in anything, right? Like, no rhyme or reason. Ooh. That is a Murano ashtray, maybe? That's gotta be worth $5-10 bucks. I think I see something underneath there, though. Keep going. Ooh, come on, baby. Come on. Oh my. Let's see that up close. Let me get the bag out of your way.
Coca-Cola. What is it, like a little...
My heart broke, so you turned it over. Reproduction. Now if this would have been without that, an original, that was a very nice item.
Oh, it could have been good.
It's still nice. That's 10 to 15 bucks. That is a print. It is a print. Please be a Picasso, 1971.
What does that say? Benson.
I think it said Sausalito on the back. Right there. You're right. Benson. Have to look that up. They were into space.
Yeah, those look pretty high quality pictures. Laptop.
It's upside down, but still cool. That's actually a pretty potentially good book, Michael.
Why? What makes it a potentially good book?
It looks like it's prints, right? So people take these and they put them in frames and they sell them individually. And I don't know if they're limited supply, but it's probably at least 20 bucks and upwards of 100.
Hopefully. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. It's getting hot. It's like an old lamp. Very old looking lamp. Look at the first lamp ever. Yeah, look at that thing.
Thomas Edison.
All right, we got a Coca-Cola. What is this, like a lunchbox?
Hold it away from me and get a good view. There you go.
It's a lollipop in there. I'll take that.
Ooh.
All right, we got.
Looks like there might be something in there.
Oh, this thing's got some weight.
Do you know who this is?
Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett.
No, I don't know who that is. Who's that?
He was a very famous person in our history. You should have learned about, but it's a nice.
Ooh. Cards. How old are these cards though? 1996. I don't think those are great years. I think
96. Kobe started basketball in 96.
the bad thing, these are baseball cards. Can't find his rookie. That's full though, cards. Jeez, wow. Electric guitar and basses. So we have like an electric guitar that's not built yet. That's kind of cool. Hopefully it has all the pieces. That looks like a pretty nice guitar. Ibanez. What is this? It's like a puzzle. Wait, they got a little cat dressed. It's a little doll. It's a little old time doll. It's a bit dirty in the back.
Dirty?
A little bit. Cat.
This guy looks intriguing.
He looks old. Oh, this thing's kind of heavy. Fabry Art Studio. That's cool. It's pretty heavy. I wonder what it's made of. All right, we emptied it out a bit more. We got some more stuff. Got some more stuff in the trailer. We emptied a lot of it out. We got like a, what is it, like a turntable right here? A little turntable right there.
Is it a Technics 2200?
We got like a boat.
M1911. Please be a freaking 45.
Chuck E. Cheese.
You know what an M1911 is?
It's a gun.
Yeah, I think it is. I think it's like a Colt 45.
All right, we got a box full of like little cassette tapes or whatever these are called. A whole box full of them. It's like a little hunting bow. I don't know if this is like real. Is this like what, like hunt deer and stuff? This is pretty heavy though. It's got some weight to it.
Let's see if I can figure it out. Something about them being left-handed. Robin!
How expensive are those things?
I don't know, but what movie is that from?
I don't know.
That's the name of it, maybe? Tree Bark, Arrow Intruder. These could be anywhere from like 70 bucks to several hundred. Want me to look it up real quick? Tree Bark by PSE. This one is not as fancy as ours. See, as you can see, it's like missing pieces. That one sold for $59, but maybe ours is worth more. We'll take it and try to get 100.
It's pretty solid. We got some cool paintings. My dad said it seemed like it was actually better than the other ones because we have a lot of paintings I haven't shown. There's like a lot in there. There's a lot. Kind of just like basic paintings, but this one, he said it's pretty cool. Buffalo Bills, Wild West, and Congress of Rough Riders of the World.
I'm not sure the date, but I think those both have a little bit of value, Michael. Are you an expert on posters at all?
I'm not an expert, unfortunately. Beatles, the Beatles. Ray Charles, greatest hits. Bose Skaggs, the Jackson 5.
I kind of cried this week at the Michael Jackson experience.
Really?
Well, it was kind of epic because Michael Jackson was so much more an artist. He was really trying for world peace and stuff, and to think about the way he died, and he was like one of my childhood heroes and stuff. Amazing show.
He recommends it, by the way, guys. It's pretty cool. We got a bunch of records. They're all sealed too. They have some prices on them, but I think it's good that they're all sealed.
Yes, they are.
All right, we got PlayStation 2. We have a couple PlayStation 2s in here. All right. It's their gaming setup. It's their old gaming setup. PS2 is a bit old. And PlayStation 2s.
Games?
I just saw the PlayStations themselves. There's two of them in here, huh?
Yeah.
The Walking Dead. Batman.
Nice.
I don't think these are super old though, but they're cool.
It sucks that somebody put that little thing on them. Let me set them out of your hand. Well, a Spider-Man 300, I think it is. It's got 300s all over the cover. That is a very rare one, and it's not old.
Batman versus Robin. G.I. Joe. Spidey number 1. I don't think they're comics anymore. This is just like magazines. Awake magazines. All right.
What you got there?
I don't know what we got. Woo! Wait, oh my. Dang, look at these. Oh, I feel pretty light, but still look at that. Zombie Hunter.
Even if they're BB
Hey,
guns,
they're
be
BB
careful
guns
pointing
are-
at people.
Yeah, they're BB guns though. We found guns, almost some real guns. Yeah, that'd been cool if they were real. BB guns are a little expensive, right, or no?
What if there are some real ones in there, though?
Could be, there could be.
What else did we find in here?
Found some magazines. I don't think I showed you guys actually that. Yeah, we got some magazines for some real guns. I don't know what kind of guns, but they are real magazines, like little pistols.
And what else?
And ammo.
Ammo.
And ammo. Found the I forgot what kind of ammo it was.
I think we found 40 and 223.
All right, my dad.
Very dangerously. Ooh, I'm gonna show you right now. Remember how I said it kept bouncing and it just didn't sound right? I'm always tripping on the sound and stuff. But so you see how the bottom is a big ball? See the difference in size?
Yeah. What would happen?
It could have popped out and fell off on the freeway.
Oh my. That's crazy. Tire messed up, guys.
That's why it was bouncing, because there's room for it to.
All right, trailer's full, a bit emptied out now. We're done.
Not quite, we're almost there.
Pretty much done. I'm done. He's filling up the rest of it.
Okay, he's not done.
I'm done. He's filling up the rest, you know.
Here's a box.
Oh.
Okay. Tricked you. You thought, ooh, Mikey.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you watch the end. You know, I always like that.
To your Playboy collection?
Psh, you guys didn't hear that. All right, put like a heart in the chat if you made it to the end. In the comments, put a heart in the comments, and I'll see you guys next video.